You're overseas, you found the perfect little cafe, the aroma of fresh coffee is pulling you in, and you reach for your wallet, only to realize you're running low on local currency. Panic sets in. You see an ATM, but wait, can you even use your YouTrip card to get cash? That's the question we're diving into today. Hey everyone, and welcome back. We've all been there, right? That moment of travel-induced anxiety when you need cash, and you're not sure how to get it. YouTrip, with its promises of no foreign transaction fees and competitive exchange rates, has become a travel essential for many. But can it actually solve that need cash now dilemma? Let's break it down. Yes, you absolutely can withdraw cash using your YouTrip card. However, there are a few crucial points to understand to avoid any surprises. First, YouTrip functions like a prepaid MasterCard. This means you can use it at any ATM that accepts MasterCard, which is practically everywhere globally. Now, the no foreign transaction fee magic of YouTrip applies to card payments, not necessarily ATM withdrawals. While YouTrip itself doesn't charge a fee for the withdrawal, the ATM operator might. This is a standard practice, and the fee will vary depending on the bank and country. Typically, you'll see a notification on the ATM screen before confirming the transaction, so you'll know exactly how much you'll be charged. Here's a pro tip: try to withdraw larger amounts less frequently. This can help minimize the impact of those ATM fees. Instead of grabbing small amounts daily, plan your cash needs for a few days ahead. Another important aspect is your YouTrip balance. You can only withdraw the amount you've preloaded onto your card. So, before heading to the ATM, make sure you have sufficient funds. You can easily top up your YouTrip card through the mobile app, which is super convenient. Also, be mindful of the daily withdrawal limit set by YouTrip. This limit is designed to protect your funds. You can find the exact figure in your YouTrip app or on their website. If you anticipate needing a higher amount, you might want to contact YouTrip customer support to explore your options. Now, let's talk about the exchange rates. YouTrip's competitive exchange rates still apply when you withdraw cash. This means you're getting a better deal than you would with many traditional bank cards, which often have hefty markups on their exchange rates. This is a significant advantage, especially when dealing with larger withdrawals. Security is also a key consideration. When using any ATM, especially overseas, be aware of your surroundings. Cover the keypad when entering your PIN, and be cautious of anyone trying to distract you. It's also a good idea to use ATMs located in well-lit, secure areas. In summary, YouTrip is a fantastic tool for managing your travel finances, and yes, you can definitely withdraw cash. Just remember to be aware of potential ATM operator fees, ensure you have sufficient funds on your card, and prioritize security. By following these simple guidelines, you can confidently access cash whenever you need it, wherever you are. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.